Cellular Internet Connection. In this video, we will demonstrate how to connect the ePowerControl to the Internet through a SIM card. This video is divided into 4 sections. Required materials, installing the SIM card, configuring the LAN port, configuring the Internet on eConf. Part 1. Required materials. For this, we will need Phillips screwdriver, laptop, RJ45 to RJ45 Ethernet cable, USB to RJ45 adapter, if your laptop lacks a LAN port, LM's device, 2 wireless antennas, W1 and W2, that comes with our device, a standard SIM card with an active data subscription. Part 2. Installing the SIM card. The SIM card socket is located at the lower part of the front panel next to the antenna's connectors. To install the SIM card, remove the screw and the protective cover to access the socket. Use the screwdriver to unscrew the socket, making sure to keep the screw in sight. Remove the protective cover by pushing it upwards, ensuring you keep it in sight. Insert the SIM card directly into the socket. Make sure to keep the beveled edge, notched corner of the card facing down and the metal contact surface facing towards the antennas. When correctly inserted, you should hear an audible click. To remove the SIM card, push it in first to release it. Reattach the protective cover and use the screwdriver to secure it with the screw. Attach the 2 antennas to the connectors labeled W1 and W2. Tilt the antenna for optimal signal reception and secure it firmly in place. Connect your laptop to the LAN port 2 of LM's device. Power up LM's device. All the LEDs will blink as an indicator that power is being supplied. Part 3. Configuring the LAN port. eConf is LM's configuration tool. It can be accessed locally without an internet connection, as well as remotely through our monitoring platform, ePowerMonitor (EPOM). Access the settings from your laptop. Go to Network and Internet Settings. Go to Change Adapter Settings. Right-click on Connection to the local network. Select Properties. Click on Internet Protocol version 4, TCP/IPv4. Select Properties. Select Obtain an IP address automatically to enable automatic IP address allocation, or select Use the following IP address for manual IP address assignment and enter the settings as shown in the next window. Click on Yes. A small TCP/IP window will appear. Then click on OK to save configuration. Configuring the Internet on eConf. Open your preferred browser and log in to eConf by entering the following IP address: 192.168.4.127. Enter your password to log in to eConf and click Sign In to connect. On the left sidebar, click on Network. Click on plus Configure a new connection. In the Connection Type menu, select Internet Access. Then, in the Interface menu, choose 3G Access Built-in. Enter the required settings, including the PIN code, SIM card PIN, the APN address, and any necessary IDs, username, and password. This information should be provided by your service provider. Click OK to save the configuration. Your cellular connection is now configured. Please feel free to contact LM support or your sales managers. Eager to see you in our next training session.